I wanted to show you this activity book that I received from the company and just how really cool it is and how it works. So it comes with all these different books for your kids to learn how to help write. And it makes it so that it's fun, especially like it has these different textures in it, which are also really important for kids, as well as just like a different way for their brains to learn how to develop writing and strengthen their hand muscles for writing, which is important. I like the idea of starting with drawing. That is like the first step in writing the alphabet and writing letters and numbers is to practice drawing, which also makes it really fun for kids. I love these illustrations. I think they're adorable. I wanted to show you how it works. So it comes with all of these different refillable pens as well as something to put onto the pen to help them grip it, which is really great. I have a 3-year-old. I think she is going to absolutely love this. I know she will, and she'll be using it a lot. I think anything that, you could give your kid to do that keeps them off of screens and helps them develop their skills of writing and learning without really knowing that's what they're doing, and just by having fun is such a win. So definitely grab this. You could see, oh, this is so cute and so fun. So I know my kids are going to absolutely love it. They can just go through and really practice like their eye hand coordination and just like concentrating, which is important for them and developmentally great for their brains as well as just their muscles in their fingers. Definitely go ahead and grab this if you have a early learner or want to practice the alphabet or subtraction. So you also have like subtraction and addition, which I think is also great for like a little bit bigger kids. So maybe you have a couple different kids so you can like take this apart and give them different parts of it. Definitely go ahead and grab this one.